Welcome to Reality Math Academy. I still remain Mr. Promise, the Math Oracle, and the Grand Rabbi of the Math Pioneers. Today we are going to continue with our miscellaneous solution to some problems. So specifically under algebra. So we look at question 1, question 2. Question 1 talk about finding the age of the father or the son. Question 2 talk about Pythagoras theorem, finding the two sides of a right angle triangle. So today we're going to look at this problem. We have to expand. So in course of expansion is somehow not too difficult, but we're going to take it one after the other. Now expand, open bracket p minus q, close bracket, open bracket r plus 5. Very simple. You could either decide to use the first bracket to open the second bracket. Yes, it's going to be taking and open, using the first bracket to open the second bracket is by taking each of the elements in the bracket to multiply all the elements in second bracket. So let's go. We want to pick p now. It's going to be p into r plus 5. You see, you close the bracket. Then next is minus q into r plus 5. Close the bracket. That's the first step. I believe it's cleared. So I use p, the first p here, to open everything in the second bracket. I use q. I will not leave the sign because the sign separates the two brackets, because there's a sign between p and q, and the sign is normally minus or plus. So q, open the other bracket. So now the next step now is to multiply p by every of the elements here, multiply minus q by every of the elements here. So we are going to take note of our signs. So p times r is pr. Now look at it. This is a positive p, this is a positive 5. So without fear of favor, is a positive number, positive. So we're going to put the plus at the middle. 5 p times 5 is 5p. You put your digit before your alphabet. Now this minus, this is r. So this is a minus, a negative number multiplying a positive number. So it's going to be negative. Please, minus times plus. So there's a plus at the back of r. It's just that it's not showing. It's an imaginary plus. So minus times plus is minus. So q times r is qr. So it will be qr. Q times r is qr. Now look at it. Minus times plus now. Minus times plus is minus. So minus times plus is what? Minus. So q times 5. Look at it. Q times 5 is 5q. It's 5q. Then, having done that, what is the next thing to do? Nothing to be done, because PR, QR, 5Q, 5P, they have nothing in common. So our answer is still going to remain this expression we have. So the expanded format of this problem is this. nothing more than that. So the expanded process of this is this. I believe you got what I just done. It's a very simple analogy. So what I simply said is very simple. Since you have done it already, P key minus this, I said the first thing is for you to expand. You have already